ready to make sure you're not leaving money on the table and keeping the taxman happy. Let's dive into setting up taxes on your Wix store. First, head over to your Wix dashboard, look for the Settings tab on the left-hand side of your screen and give it a click. This is your control center for all things Wix. Now, scroll down the Settings menu until you see Tax and VAT. This is where the magic happens, so click on it to open up your tax settings. Wix offers automated tax calculation, which is a lifesaver if it's available in your region. You'll see an automated tax option. Turn this on to have Wix handle the calculations for you, based on location. If automated tax isn't available, or if you prefer more control, you can set up manual tax rules. Click on Add Tax Rule. Here, you can specify the location for which the tax rule applies. You can choose a country, state, or even a specific city. Next, enter the tax rate for that location as a percentage. Be sure to double-check this with your local tax authorities to ensure accuracy. Decide if you want to apply tax to shipping costs. Some regions require this, so again, check your local regulations. Once you've configured all the settings, click the Save button to save your tax rule. Repeat these steps for any other locations where you need to collect taxes. You'll see all your configured tax rules listed here. And that's it. You've successfully set up tax on your Wix store. Remember to regularly review your tax settings to stay compliant with any changes in tax laws. Now go get those sales. Go.